The Grey Wolf by Cherokee is engineered with quality in mind. It has distinctive features, superior comfort, and arguably most importantly, remarkable affordability. I'm going to show you some of the impressive features, speak to the construction of the Grey Wolf, and then speak to what size of tow vehicle you'll need to properly tow one. As soon as you walk into a Grey Wolf, you'll be immediately impressed with the kitchen that features the Chef Select black stainless steel kitchen suite package, including the undermount apron front sink and heavy-duty faucet with sprayer. The substantial 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge cools quickly so you can enjoy an ice-cold beverage as soon as you get to camp. And when it's mealtime, you have cooking options thanks to the 3-burner recessed cooktop and air fryer microwave combo. But camping trips aren't all about cooking, they're about relaxing. And Grey Wolf makes it easy to do thanks to the upgraded sofa with removable armrests. They also make it a point to have a good viewing angle to the entertainment center, and you'll stay comfortable in most climates due to the 15,000 BTU AC with quick cool air dump feature and fireplace found in several floor plans. You can block out the light and reduce heat with the zebra blinds that are as unique as they are functional. However, my favorite feature in the living area are the colossal 40-inch dinette drawers found on models with slide-outs. These are easily 2 to 3 times larger than what you'll find on most dinettes. The bathroom in a Grey Wolf is well thought out and has upgraded amenities like a tankless water heater, making measly 5-minute RV showers a thing of the past. The shower itself has a higher than standard threshold, keeping the curtain in place so you don't have a puddle of water on the floor after the shower. There's also a skylight in the shower, adding additional headroom and bringing natural light into every Grey Wolf bathroom. When it's time to call it a night, every floor plan but one has a walk-around queen bed that is flanked by full-length wardrobes and plenty of hanging space. You'll also find a dedicated inverter with a single Edison plug so you can use your CPAP or other electronics no matter where you're camping. One of the big reasons that so many people love a Grey Wolf is because of the safety features you'll find on the exterior. They come standard with an installed rear observation camera, a premium wheel package with a tire pressure monitoring system, and a spare tire. These are honestly just incredible features that really give any owner peace of mind when towing. The main entry on a Grey Wolf will have a blackout glass door with friction hinges in a stable step with an oversized landing that is just enjoyed by both people and doggos alike. This, of course, is all covered by a large power awning with LED light strip. Some other features of note include ladder prep to access the fully walkable roof, black tank flush for easier and more sanitary cleaning, and a drop-down rack for additional gear. You'll also find an enclosed underbelly that helps keep road grime off of critical components and aids in keeping out unwanted rodents during storage. For midsummer camping, you'll also enjoy the reflective tinted safety windows and heat-reflective seamless roofing membrane. Now, when it comes to towing a Grey Wolf, they range from about 24 foot and roughly 4,800 pounds dry up to almost 38 foot and 6,900 pounds. So with that in mind, for some of the smaller floor plans, they are possible to tow with some newer mid-size SUVs like the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Nissan Pathfinder, as well as several luxury SUVs like the BMW X5 and Audi Q7. For the larger floor plans, however, you'll need something along the lines of a Dodge Durango, Grand Wagoneer, Ford Expedition, or something larger like a half-ton pickup. As always, when determining how much your particular vehicle can tow, the model year, engine, options, gear ratio, and a whole bunch of other factors can all influence tow rating. So if ever in doubt, refer to your owner's manual or bring your vehicle into your local Camping World for assistance, which is also a perfect time to see a Cherokee Grey Wolf in person and see if this is the right RV for you. Happy RV hunting.